This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Steph DiVohl. A beautiful mid-century home with ample light. This 1959 Bedford Stone ranch sits on 1.5 acres and offers 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, laundry/mud room, and a 2-car attached garage. Enjoy mature landscaping and a quiet country setting. This home has been in the same family since being built and has been lovingly maintained. Home is being sold as is with no known defects. For more information, review the details below or contact Steph DiVohl at 812-606-7305.